AI Blackboard. Behavior tree, AI behavior. Okay. So in this, just going to have a capsule component and a very, very large cube. I want you to be smaller. Let's go with 0.25, 0.25, 0.5. Yeah, that's good. So that's our AI. Very not impressive. Just a block. I don't know if I need to do anything in the AI controller. Let's see. I know in the key or in the Blackboard, with behavior trees and AI, you absolutely have to have a Blackboard. And what this does is it gives you different keys, and these keys can be of type, different types and all. And you need these to be able to interact and do different tasks and stuff like that. So let's see, random location. Let's see, we need this. We're going to go sequence. I know at very least I need a move to. Luckily, the move to is already in here. And then we're going to have it wait for 2 seconds before it moves again. Okay, let's see here. What else do we need? By the way, guys, I'm running completely blind in this, so I'm going to be trying hopefully different things out if this doesn't work. Let's see. Blackboard asset, AI Blackboard, random move to. Okay, we're going to need a task, I believe. So tasks and I believe decorators and stuff like that are all individual blueprints for the most part. And then so this, we need a BT task node. Task blueprint base. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. We're gonna go with it. Random move. Okay. Add execute. And then we're going to go, let's see, get key, that doesn't seem right. Really don't want to have to go look up. Promote to variable. Okay, so let's call it random loc as well. And then get random point and radius. I'm going to go with a radius of 500. Get trying to think here. Oh wait, I can just do get actor location, skip getting AI controller, origin, filter class. Okay, that says recast filter. For some reason I read that as racist filter. Yeah, you can tell it's been just a long day. Okay. Set Blackboard value as vector, and then finish execute. Let's see. Don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to try. Set Blackboard value as vector. Okay, we're going to go back here. And now we can go to tasks and random move right here. So that populated. One thing to keep in mind with Blackboards especially, apparently I left my Facebook up. Let me go ahead and just kill that. Boop, I don't want those beeps. Okay. So something that's really, 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 really important with behavior trees is the order in which you place things. In this case, we have random move, move to, and wait. The order that the sequence is going to go to is random move, move to, and wait. If I put this over here, it would be move to, random move, wait. So it would have no location until this filled, and then it would wait again. So we want this to be on the side so that it picks the vector location. And then this one is going to pull the vector value of random lock. And we're not going to filter acceptable radius, that's fine. Okay. Let's see, random location, that's all we need there. AI control. Run behavior tree. AI behavior. AI pawn, and I believe we need to set yeah, AI controller class is AI controller. So I probably did this wrong, but we're gonna find out. Get a nav mesh bounds volume. And what nav mesh does is it creates an area that certain things can move on. With AI especially, you're gonna want them, like, I'm pretty sure you actually have to have them run off of the nav mesh. And as you can see, if you hit P, it'll show where your nav mesh is located. So anywhere that's green, the AI will be able to move. And I believe I need a AI spawner. We're gonna try it just placing it in at first and see what happens. And as you can see, nothing happens because I did it wrong. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to make a spawner. Boop. Let's make this a static mesh, and we'll use a cone. The cone is the spawner. And event begin play, spawn AI from class, parent class, AI pawn, behavior tree, AI behavior tree, location, get actor location, target is self, don't care about rotation. So let's save that, let's save that. As you can see, AI, there's a little bit more in depth with AI than most other things. Why aren't you moving? Boop. Okay. Let's see. Should spawn AI pawn. Plus, let's go with 200. Well, it spawned it. Just spawned it, you know, in the ground. That's not very useful. 100. Let's try moving it up. No, that didn't work. Let's see if it is running the behavior tree. I really need bigger screens. I really do. Okay. So when you run it, the cool thing about behavior trees is you can see the trail of logic, and it's really clear. So in this case, it is running the behavior, but it's getting stuck on random move, which means I did something wrong in the task. Awesome. And I believe it's this. I think I need to set this to true. Oh, and there goes the move too. So I think if we can get this to recognize, it should be moving. Why aren't you moving? All I want is your love. And maybe a chicken Danish. Yes, a chicken Danish. I don't know how good that would taste. You know, given that Danishes are sweet, that would actually probably be really disgusting. I'm hungry. Let's see. Entry point task will stay active until finish execute is called. Note that if both generic and AI event versions are implemented, only the more suitable task will be called. Okay. Run behavior tree. That should be working. Unless, because we're setting it here, I don't need to set it there. So I'm going to take that out real quick. Let's see if that is the problem it's trying to do. No, of course not. Of course that's not the problem. This is interesting. Well, if we're doing that, we can get rid of that one. Let's put this at 50 maybe. Just enough to be off the ground. Where did my behavior tree go? Ah, there we are. So it's failing here. Toggle breakpoint. Why are you never going to wait? Interesting. Okay, it's never actually setting the Blackboard value. That's the correct thing there. Let's get rid of the breakpoint there. Try increasing this. See if it's a number thing. It is not a number thing. Okay, I don't think this will be right, but I'm going to try it anyways, just to be able to say I did. Yep, nope, that didn't work. Let's see, where are we messing up? And by we, I of course mean I'm completely flubbing this. I just want it to be all-inclusive in the flubbing.